Hello everyone, this is Ovidio, and in this channel I would like to share with you a lot of, let's say, digital tips and digital processes as how can we create several forms in one, how a PDF document can be automatically created once a form is submitted, SharePoint list automatically populated using also Microsoft Forms, alert notifications on email or SMS once a form is submitted, ticketing trigger automation, minutes of the meeting automation, real-time Power BI reports, corporate applications in Power Apps, RPA using UI Flow, Power Automate, and so on. Today I'm going to show you how can you create several forms in one form in Microsoft Forms. Let's suppose that we want to create a form or a whatever survey across the global, but we don't want to create one for each continent. We would like to create one survey for all. We can do it in Microsoft Forms, adding branching. And let's start. This is my Microsoft form account. I will select new form. And the title will be your feedback. It's important. And the description, we can let it empty, but I will put something here, and let's say, please let us know your feedback regarding the cities you visited across the globe. This is an example, it's nothing real. And okay, I will add a photo for this title, and I have here this option, insert image. And we have three options to search on browser, on OneDrive, and upload a photo from my computer. Let's say the old. And search. And I will select a photo from here, this one, and add. I also want to add a temp for my form, and I have here this option, and I have a lot of options here, but I like this one. Okay, as you can see, I uploaded this photo in my form. Okay, and now I will start to create my form and add new. As you can see, we have here some options, but I will select choice. The first question will be, let's say, select the continent. And I will take an example, only two continents, Europe and Asia. Okay, and I will add for each continent I will add two countries, and for each country I will add two cities. Okay, we can add more countries. We have this option, add option, and we can add more options. Okay, delete. And now now looks like this, but I don't like. And I want to have this field mandatory to be required. I want to be a drop down list and to have a subtitle, and let's say as subtitle, please select your continent from below, and now looks better. Now I would like to create the next field, and I have two options to create it. One is to create it manually as the previous one, or to copy the first field and to customize it. And I will take the second option because it's better. And here we have copy question, and as you can see, I had copied the first field. It is the same, and the second field, it is Europe, and I will change here as I want, and please select the country, your country, or let's say the country from below, and okay. And I will take for Europe, Romania, and Spain. Okay, and I have the second field created. And now I will create all the fields as I need, and the second the next field will be Asia. And for Asia, I will take an example, China, and the second one, Japan. You can add more options from here, but I need only two. Okay, the next field, what I want to create is, I need to create the cities, the fields with the cities for each country. And now also copy, and let's change the details. Cities, say Romania, Bucharest. And the second one, Cluj-Napoca. Another one, it is cities in Spain. Okay. And I will will take an example, say Madrid and Barcelona. Okay. The next field will be, and I will also copy, will be cities in China. I will take as example for Asia, China and Japan. And as city for China, the cities for China, I will take Beijing and the second, let's say Wuhan, because now it's a famous city. And I have one more field for the cities for Japan. I can create it from here, add new, but as I said before, it's easier to just to copy and to change the details. And now, okay, let's say cities in Japan, and I will take Tokyo and Toyota. It's also a city in Japan. Okay, and now I would like to have also a text field, and I can create it from here, add new, and select text. And for this, let's say comments. And subtitle, please let us know your impression about the city you selected. And I want to have a long answer, and I think this is all. Okay, let's see how looks our form in this format. Preview, and this is our form. We have created 8 fields, and now the next information I want to share with you is that how can I be able to see the information only for Europe. Once I selected Europe, I will not like to share my form, for example, to people from Romania, and to can see all the fields and the information in the same place. If they select Europe, the information for Europe can be seen. How can we do that? It's simple, adding branching. Okay, back, and I'll go to the first field, and here we have more settings for question, select, and add branching. Now we have the first field, second field, and so on, all the fields created. And once I select Europe, I want to see Europe. Once I select Asia, I want to see Asia. In Europe, once I select Romania, I want to see cities in Romania. Once I select Spain, I want to see the cities I have in my form for Spain, and so on. For China, cities in China. For Japan, cities in Japan. Now, after the city field, I want to see the last field, which is comment. And for the rest of the fields, I need to select comments to be the next field I want to see. Okay. Also for Japan. And this is all for the last fields. It's selected next by default, which is the end of the form. Okay, and now back, and let's see how it looks. Our form preview, and now it looks better. It looks nice, and we have only one form, so only one field at the first in the first page. Okay, and if I want to see the information for Europe, I can select Europe. Please select your country from Europe, Romania. I'm able to see the cities in Romania, Bucharest, and the comments, and so on. I can do that for I can do this for all the countries and cities. Okay, and now let's submit a form. Okay, and let's say here it is nice city, and submit. If I want to submit another form, I have this option, submit another response. Now go back, and if I want to see more, if I want to see actually the responses, I have here this option, and I have here the data I raised before, and I also have an option, Excel, opening Excel option. Okay. Let's see our data in Excel. And in this Excel, I can see all the data. At this moment, we have only one for Europe, Bucharest. This, with my comment, is a nice city. I can use this Excel file as data resource to create a very nice Power BI report, but I will share this with you in another video presentation. Going back to my form. Okay, now how can I share my form with other people? We have this option, and this one, send or share button. Send, and copy the link, and this link can be shared via email, Facebook, Twitter, and so on, and can be shared with all the parties, with all the people, for the parties involved, with all the people you want to submit this form. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be able to receive other tips and to learn very interesting digital things. Stay close and bye bye.